the Honorable Prime Minister reached Srinagar around 2 o'clock, and immediately thereafter he proceeded for a briefing by the state government on the memorandum that had been sent by the state government to the central government for consideration. Thereafter he went to the Raj Bhavan, where he met representatives of the political parties, and thereafter he met a large cross-section of the people of the valley belonging to various walks of life. They narrated to him their difficulties, especially those that have arisen as a consequence of the floods that have taken place here in the valley, as well as in the other parts of the state. And they submitted various memoranda to the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister has assured the people, as he did on the media, that whatever help was possible would be rendered. The Prime Minister has announced an amount of rupees 507. Let me start by saying that all the announcements that were made are a part of the Prime Minister's relief fund. The memorandum that has been submitted by the state government for the consideration of the Government of India is a separate entity altogether. What will be sanctioned as a part of the memorandum has nothing to do with what the Prime Minister has announced. The Prime Minister announced an amount of rupees 570 crores for the repairs of the houses damaged in the recent floods. He announced an amount of rupees 175 crores for restoration of hospitals in Srinagar, Jammu and Leh. The Prime Minister announced free replacement of books, notebooks, etc. for all the children up to primary and upper primary level schools. He also said that the 1,000 crores that were announced by him during his last visit to the valley has been released by the central government, and the same needs to be spent quickly by the state government. The Prime Minister also said that the state government has submitted a memorandum for seeking special package for rehabilitation of the flood victims, and he stated that appropriate funds will be released after examination of the memorandum by the central government. So these were the various things he said. I would also like to point out here that there is some information which is being exchanged amongst various people, that a large amount of money out of this 1,000 crores has already been deducted on account of some bills raised by the Ministry of Defence. We have checked with the Ministry of Defence. They have raised no such bills so far. So that is baseless information.